everyone, it's Bob Fleming here. Only joking, it's me, Rob, and welcome to another unboxing of this now, the new Tamiya Super Avante. I've got Mark on the camera.
Hi everyone.
And you're not going to believe this, but this, again, was another gift from the awesomeness that is the RC Elf. Well, I'm just flabbergasted. What's going on here? Mark, you're supposed to be on the camera.
Yeah, well, you know, I just wanted to show off something as well, Rob, because you're not the only one that's got a new Avante.
No.
Because the RC Elf, in his awesomeness, has also sent one to me. So are we a pair of lucky guys or what?
Just a bit, mate, just a bit.
So a big thank you to the RC Elf from me. And I think because I got mine before you, Rob.
No, I got mine first.
No. I definitely got
mine. Come yesterday at 10 o'clock in the morning.
No, I want to do my unboxing first because I think the RC Elf likes me.
I think he must like us both, mate.
I think you're right. I'm only joking.
We wouldn't have got them the same.
He's really fair, he's the RC Elf. I couldn't help saying that. But I was just trying to think of a reason, guys, so that I can unbox mine before him.
No.
So, because mine...
We're at my house with my camera, my unboxing.
Hey, hang on
Get on that camera now.
What? But mine came first.
I don't care. I'm telling you, mine come at 10 o'clock yesterday morning.
I think Louise did say... Well,
and I asked the delivery man and he said, oh no, that Mark Bryan, I'm going to his house later.
Oh, right. I suppose I'll have to do mine later.
Yeah.
Guys,
Get on that camera.
I'm sorry about that, Rob. I'll get on the camera. Sorry, mate. Right then, Rob. I'm back on the camera where you've told me to go, and yeah, I'm not in a bad mood at all or anything about not being on top. Unbox mine first, but I'm going to do a best job as I can to do a nice steady camera for you. Okay. No, sorry about that, guys. Just a bit of messing about there. Should we get on with the proper unboxing now, Rob?
I think we should, yeah.
Go on then, mate.
Right, so, as I say, Tamiya Super Avante. It's a brand new chassis as far as Tamiya is concerned. It's been a while coming out. The TD4, I don't even think they called it an 04.
No.
It's just TD4. It's four-wheel drive. It's an Avante, and
you've got a couple of Avantes, haven't you, mate?
I have, yes. I've got the red special edition Aero Avante, which is on the DFO2 chassis.
Yep.
And then I got the 2011 Avante re-release.
Hang on, I'm just going to spin round. There's the beauty there. That is gorgeous and full box art in it, mate. Lovely car, that. Here we go.
So this one, we're going to do the same. We're going to go box art because it's the same colour, PS16 and PS6 for the yellow.
There's a bit more yellow on this one, though, isn't there, mate?
Just a bit more, yeah. But hey, it also has inboard front suspension mounts.
Wee.
And a weird way of changing the batteries.
Oh, yeah.
See once
I think a lot of people have commented about that, haven't
they?
Bit of a complaint, a bit of a moan about that, but I don't think it's going to be a problem, Rob.
I don't think so either. You get full turnbuckles, you get full ball bearings.
Woo, for a Tamiya. Mind you, it is expensive, isn't it, Rob?
It is quite a bit expensive compared to the normal stuff, but having a look at it, I think it's really is well worth it. One thing I've noticed from other videos though is space is a bit tight under the body.
Yeah.
So I think for now I'm just going to go with a brushed motor.
Yep, same here, mate. I'm going to do the same. And, in fact, you bought me a nice 17-turn brush, didn't you, for my birthday, mate?
I certainly
Thank you very much. So yeah, that's going to go in mine.
And yeah, because it doesn't come with a stock silver can.
No, it doesn't come with the motor at all, does it?
No, or an ESC. But we'll have a look at that. I won't open the box per se. We'll just get all the stuff out because we've had a bit of a laugh. So
Yeah. It's going to be
time's rolling on.
It's going to be a longer than it, mate. So
is.
for now. Yeah. Should we get it out the bags?
We shall, yes.
Yeah. Right then. Let's do it.
Okay, here we are, dude. We're all unpacked.
This is, a lot more stuff than I thought there would be, Rob.
Yeah, I mean,
Wow.
parts bag A to D.
E.
Wow.
E.
Oh, E. I missed that one. Even more. And, well, yeah, obligatory. Oh, yes, very nice.
Square spike tyres, are
They are the square spikes. Well, yeah, those ones.
Them ones as well.
And we'll have a quick look at the body. Oh,
Yeah, it looks a nightmare to cut out, doesn't it?
it does, yeah.
I think you might need a bit of a score and snap method on some of this, mate.
I think we are, because it does actually say in the manuals, cut the straight bits and score and snap the curved bits,
Yeah.
which is something else new in the manual.
Right.
I think I've seen it once before, when my Lunchbox Mini was the first time I've seen them about using the score and snap method, but we'll see once we get to it.
I don't know if you can point out the wing and the... Well, it's not a wing, it's like an extra part, isn't it? And
It is, yeah. This is the bit we cut out, and it fixes on here
Yeah.
and here,
Yeah.
and that's painted yellow, I think,
Yeah.
from memory. And then we've got the mud guards.
Well, that's weird, isn't it? Actually, the mud guards there.
Yeah,
It's funny how they've moulded that, isn't it?
yeah, it is. We've then got the rear wing,
Yep.
which needs looking at, because you might not be able to see, but there's several different lines there that means you could cut it out to, I think, different heights and depths and
Yep. And
things.
stuff.
So we'll have to have a look at that. And then you get a third bit, which is the dashboard around the driver.
Yeah.
This bit here, and then this bit here, which I think comes round like so, is for the back, just behind the driver.
Oh, right.
So that sticks inside the body as well.
Right, that's more faffing about, isn't it?
Yeah, so lots of cutting out
Yeah.
to be done. We've got this new chassis tub, which looks like it's the fibre reinforced plastic, but it's quite flexible as well,
It is, isn't it?
weirdly. And the motor goes in here, from what I can remember. And you've got a space here where you could possibly put the battery, but I think that's for a different chassis.
It's for the new TD2, isn't it?
Yeah,
The
'cause,
rear wheel drive one.
the battery goes down the centre here in this one,
Yep.
and you get blanking plates for that. So that's that. We've got some quite day glowy yellow 5-star spoked wheels, which
Was it called Stardish, are they?
Stardish, that's what I want.
Yeah.
I couldn't think what they were called.
They could have put some new wheels, couldn't they?
They could have.
They could have done
I mean,
that.
even the old Avante ones
Yeah.
would have looked good, I reckon, even
Yeah.
in that colour,
Yeah.
with the black disc to hold them on.
Anyway. Anyway. Yeah.
Yep.
It is what it is, mate.
It
It
is.
is what it is.
Yeah, bits. I think these are some suspension bits here, maybe, or steering bits. And not got a clue. Not seen this chassis before or seen any builds of it.
Is that the rear shock mounts?
I think that is the rear shock mount.
Weird, isn't it?
It is.
It's normally solid.
I know.
Yeah, so it'd be interesting to see where
Yeah.
those bits go.
And front bits here by the looks of this.
Yep.
Again, not sure what everything is on this, but we'll find out.
Well, I recognise those things.
Yes. These are the front axles
You call them
C-hubs.
C-hubs.
and possibly,
No, these are the steering knuckles, aren't they? Well, they are. Looks like the
Yeah.
C-hub in one. It's a different design.
it is, yeah. I
Yeah.
think these go together with them as well somehow.
Oh, right.
Like that. Possibly, I can't remember now, but again, we'll find that out once we start the build process. It might be these ones, or they might be the rear ones. We'll find out.
Yep.
More bits. God knows what we're going to be using in these. One thing I do know is you get 2 different sized rear wing mounts.
Yep.
So you can have low or high.
I've seen that, yeah. There's loads of shims there, aren't there?
There is.
All the little shim bits down there. It's like the XV01 in that respect, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's similar plastic, do you think, Rob?
I think so, yeah.
It's similar plastics, so it's their kind of higher grade plastics, I think.
Yeah.
Because we've both got an XV01 and nothing's broken on them, has it?
No, nothing so far.
It's good plastics, that's for sure.
Yeah. These are quite interesting. These are exhausts.
Yeah, fake exhausts. Yeah,
So,
an exhaust on an electric car. That's strange, isn't it?
There's a bit of a difference. I might spray them silver.
Yeah.
But
Good idea.
Carry on. I think we get 2 of them bits. Here's some what look like gearbox bits to me.
Yeah, looks like your transmission will go in there.
Again, fairly flexible plastic, mate.
Oh, well,
looks like it's all the same stuff.
That means it won't snap or crack.
Yes, hopefully.
Well, yeah, fingers crossed.
And one assumes front and rear, or lower arms, because you get turnbuckles.
Yep, lower and upper arms, maybe, or front and rear, yeah.
So that's that. We get a driver.
Well, you get half a driver.
Well, yeah.
Who's got no arms?
Yeah, he's armless, isn't he?
He's a harmless. Oh, Rob. That
Sorry.
was bad. Yeah. I love it. I love it. There's shock.
Rear shock bodies.
Yep.
Front shock bodies.
They look really short, don't they? But
They do.
But they do a good job on the other cars, so I think
Yeah,
they'll be long
plus
enough.
they're inbound, aren't they? So
Oh yeah, they're inside.
there's lots of mechanisms.
Leverages and things going on.
And then we've got all the bits to go for make the shocks up.
Yep.
We've got plastic bags with no numbers on them, with that looks like
Velcro.
hook and loop, mate.
Yeah, sorry, Velcro's a trade name. Sorry, I shouldn't have used that, should I?
No, and I think that's really thin double-sided tape.
Right. Yes.
So we'll find out more. Tool bag with these are the sponges for the ball joints.
Yep, yep. They're good because it keeps all the dirt out of the ball
Yep.
joints, doesn't it?
And some more foam.
Yep.
Stiff foam, that is. And the double-sided tape, aluminium tape, etc. And you even get a wibbly wobbly cap.
Yeah, for the wibbly wobbly that we haven't shown.
Yeah. Oh, high torque servo saver.
Yep, that's a nice bit to have, isn't it?
Yeah, there should be some springs somewhere in one of these bags.
Yeah, and watch them fly across the room when you try and fit them, Rob.
Yes, definitely. Last one I did, I had to do off camera because it was. I was there for hours.
Do you want to do the parts bags?
Yeah, we'll go through them. Parts bag A first. AW grease. Woohoo! I'm running low on that.
Lovely stuff.
And a lovely motor mount in blue anodised aluminium. And I can't tell. I think these are plastic, mate, but I'm sure there'll be lots of metal bits
Yep.
to come. Parts bag B. Oh, that feels like metal. I don't know what that is, unless it's the ball diff.
It looks like it's to do with the ball. It's got holes in it, so it might be for the ball diff.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to mention that, Rob.
Yes, got ball diffs front and
I don't know
rear.
if you can see the balls there. Oh no, we're giving
at them.
We're giving Pete some fodder.
Oh no!
Oh, look at those little balls.
Look at those tiny little balls.
Pete Wiley, eat your heart out, mate.
Yeah. So yeah, that looks like it's going to be the diff and some of the
Yep, drive shafts there.
drive shafts, dog bones.
Dog bones, all metal.
Yeah.
Dog bones and drive cups.
I think they're suspension bars because it's very similar to the XV01 in that.
Oh yeah, it's got stainless steel suspension
Yes.
pivots, hasn't it? Which is
It has.
really good.
And then the rear shocks for parts bag C, so that might be a bit quick.
Yep.
And
I think that's 900.
Pete, we've got the hard oil.
Hard. That's 900, is it? I think, or I think
Something like
it's
that.
900 weight.
We'll have a look in a bit. I think I noticed it in the manual, dude.
I think we need to whiz on a bit, dude.
We do.
We're going to
Parts
be here all
bag D,
night.
doubly anodised prop shaft, and the front diff.
Oh,
Oof. Ooh, suits you, sir. Suits you. And lots more metal bits and turnbuckles. And parts bag E, which is the front
ball bearings!
and bull bearings.
Ball bearings!
Yep. I haven't seen any more, but it
Oh,
does
there's
say
some
full
more.
bull bearings,
Yep.
so I'm assuming they'll be in the other bags.
Hidden, yeah.
One wibbly wobbly Pete.
Whee! I love that.
Yep.
It's very wibbly and very wobbly.
One fairly small decal sheet, thankfully.
Yeah, there's not too many there, but
No.
tricky cuts though, because there's some long, thin parts, aren't there?
There are. But hey, nothing new there.
No.
That's for his helmet.
Oh, nice. You're doing it again.
I am doing it on purpose now, dude.
Sorry. Pete, love you. Sorry,
And
keep
then-
going about Pete.
We do.
I'm upside down now.
Ooh. And then we got the install guide, and very extensive it is too,
Oh my gosh.
up to 4850.
That's going to take some time to build, I think, Rob. It's not going to be standard Tamiya to build, is
No.
it?
And I am going to take my time. So, sorry guys for all you that have been complaining about me lunchbox mini series. But this probably is going to be longer. I'm sorry about that. And then we've also got option parts you can get.
Oh, I don't think I'll be bothering with them.
No,
am I?
nor me.
I'm hoping it's going to be pretty good stock.
Yes. And then lots of stuff about setting it all up.
Yep.
I think there's a couple of 3 pages on setting up. Oh yeah,
Right. Oh,
2
yeah.
pages.
Yeah, you get that on the XB101, I think, as
Yeah.
well.
You do on some of the other ones, don't you? I've seen, but yeah.
Yeah.
And then quite a few pages of parts,
Because there's lots of parts.
just a bit. So I think that is about it.
I think we've finally got there, haven't we, Rob?
I think so.
Oh, that was a marathon.
Yeah,
Sorry about that, guys, but yeah, there are lots of parts, isn't there, Rob?
just a few.
And there they all are. And oh, I just have to look at that again. What a beauty that is, Rob. Should we finish on that one?
I think so. I'm glad. I hope you enjoyed watching. I look forward to seeing you on the build series. Cheers, lads. Bye.
Bye.